Hello everybody, today we're going to try out this game called Besiege. Um, I'm actually very excited about this game because this is obviously an engineering game, and in real life I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. But anyways, like they said, they suggest you to start from this block and expand out. So we'll do exactly what they say, right? As an engineer, it's very important to learn how to follow instructions. Okay, so they are suggesting that you add wheels to this, but also I feel like, okay, let me just show you this. So if you press start, this is known as a siege engine, by the way. So um, what happens is you have like this fall, right? So right now it's okay because our siege engine isn't that big, but as we gain size, the potential energy that is built up will actually end up destroying your siege engine when it falls. So what we do is I'm trying to find it. It should be called a suspender or something similar to that. Oh, suspension, yes. So what these are actually just springs. Alright, so if we have springs, then the fall, the shock will be absorbed. Okay, that's very basic, just conservation of energy and all that. You can already see that our engineering classes are paying off. Okay, so we add wheels, as they say. Okay, so right now they're having this clockwise rotation. So when we land our siege engine, you can see that it moves back and forth, but it cannot turn. That's obvious. This is not a this is not a naive game like we've always seen. Like these vehicles just turn magically with just 4 wheels. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, that's the end of the usefulness of this thing. Okay, so normally people will go ahead and add like swivel joints here and like finish the turning motion by simply turning the wheels. That is how actual cars work, but we are going to do something different. All right, we're going to use a 4-wheel system that was invented by someone else. We just learned it because we're engineers. Okay, so so we want the inner wheels we want all the wheels to still be able to move back and forth, allow us to move back and forth. But like, let's say when I press left, I want the siege engine to turn left. Obviously, because we don't want the key bindings to be too complicated. So what we do here is, okay, I'll explain in a sec. Oh. Okay, so when I press left now, these wheels will be turning in the opposite direction, and these will be turning like this, and causing a rotational motion. Oh, let me just demonstrate. That's way faster. All right. So what is the advantage of this kind of system? You see, we can still turn very normally, and yeah, it's no different from a normal car system. But the advantage is we can turn like this, right? We don't need like normal cars can't do this. The way they turn is more like it's more difficult for them to complete that 360 motion without moving. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. So in this mission, we just want to destroy that house right there. So that's fairly easy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some spikes to the front of the vehicle. Why am I not trying anything crazy? Well, that's because in engineering, we learned that simplicity is very important, right? If let's say someone's dad is driving this thing, you don't want to allow for that room for error. Okay, so we finished it. Not a problem. Okay, all of this is easy in the face of mechanical engineering. But like I was saying, if someone's father was driving this product and they die driving it, you get your ass sued, right? You don't want that. You don't want that to happen. You always want to keep your system simple, singular sometimes. Like sometimes you just want a singular solution to all your problems. So what I'm gonna do here is adjust the engine, the Siege engine, to adapt to all these situations. Now, this level we want to destroy this thing. Let's see if we can go uphill. I doubt it. I doubt it. Our Siege engine doesn't seem to be designed for this situation. So as we can see, we can't reach it. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is adapt. Right, we're gonna add a steering hinge like this. Okay, and then we're going to attach a let's see, a mechanical arm. Alright, that seems long enough. A drill. We want a weapon in front. Okay, so this hinge will allow us to adjust the angle of our mechanical arm, and simply, let me just find the keys real quick. Yeah, and simply thrust into this windmill and destroy it. That's the plan, and it should be that simple. Let's see. Okay, so we adjust our angle, go towards it. Whoa! Yes, it's that simple. Okay. So what I noticed was that this Siege engine has a tendency of leaning forwards too much. So the way we counter this is by adding counterweight. So what I'm gonna do here is just add wheels that don't have any meaning. Okay, this is probably enough counterweight. And also, I'm gonna try to balance this engine out by adding the same equipment to the back of it. Okay, so this should be perfectly balanced. But what we also want to do is make the center of mass more towards the center, obviously, because our shape is basically this rectangle, and we want our center of mass to be low so that we don't lose balance easily. So what we do here, we go to flight and we pick these counterweights, right? So okay, we also want to make sure they're heavy enough. They need to be big and heavy, right? So we add these counterweights here, and voila, our Siege engine should be perfectly balanced. Let's see. Yeah, the center of gravity is fairly close to the center. That's good. That's good. I guess I can add another motor wheel or another. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. We're not tested in too severe landscapes yet. Okay, so we're gonna. Those things are landmines. You see, I do my homework and figure out these things before I even. Okay, so let's sweep it. Yes. Okay. Die, little sheep. Okay, so our goal is to reach that thing in front. So let's just clear the mine and charge straight towards. Okay, so our counterweight is not working very well. Maybe it's too heavy. I don't know. Okay, let's just go. Oh shit, the sheep. Oh, we're dying. Oh, okay. We got too close. That's fine. Trial and error is very important in engineering. So obviously the balls were placed, I mean the counterweights were placed in a very bad position. So what we want to do is place them here. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, that makes far more sense. To place these here for balance. Okay. What we'll also do is actually no, I think this is enough. Let's just go ahead and finish this level. Okay, we want to make sure our mechanical arm is fully extended so that it's far away enough from us. Sorry, sheep, but I don't know why you're. Yeah, I was trying to stay away from the tree that was on fire. Okay, one more landmine. Cool. Alright, easy. Alright, next zone. A good engineer is always up for new challenges, right? Okay, this time we have archers. So I guess the obvious solution to this is add armor to your siege engine. Oh wow, it fits perfectly. Good, good. Armor bits everywhere. Oh, seems like we can add armor here too. Why not? Oh wow. Armor everywhere. Intersection? Intersection with what? Oh, with the armor. Yeah, so the armor actually has thickness, which makes sense. I like it. Actually, let's armor up our mechanical arm as well. I don't want our mechanical arm to be vulnerable. Yeah, that should be enough. That should be enough. Alright. Oh wow, it's too heavy. Let's go ahead and remove the armor bits on the bottom. Okay. Yeah, that should be fine. Still too heavy, but not a problem. Alright, all we need to do is destroy that house. So okay. Okay. I'm not used to controlling this yet, but here. Yes, eat that. Alright. So the armor approach is very effective towards archers. Okay, so the plan here is to kill 90% of everybody. So if you play League of Legends, you know their backline, the archers, the marksmen, need to die first. So let's go ahead and charge towards them. A good engineer always approaches the problem with a plan. Okay. Let's go. Oh no, we're stuck. The dead bodies there. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, the archers are dying. This is good. Oh. Why can't we move? Why can't we move? Oh no. We can't move a single bit. Okay. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, slap them in the face with the mechanical arm. Yeah. Easy. Okay, yeah, we killed them all. That's good. Yeah, I knew they wouldn't pose a threat. Okay, so this mission we need to steal and deliver 2 iron ores. So these are really 2 big iron orbs. So I guess we just kick them with our mechanical arm, basically. Alright, so let's do that one first. That one is on lower ground. So we want to extend our mechanical arm and sort of like slap it in the face. Right. Good, good, good. You see, the advantage of this rotating system is really starting to show. Okay. Adjust angle, move closer, and what? Okay, well, yeah, you just slap it in the face. There you go. Okay, now we're trying to destroy that thing. I think this design is good enough. You can just go towards it. Adjust angle. All right. Oh shoot! Did it just? Oh shoot! Laser at me? Wow, that's very impressive. You see how this design is simple, but it finishes the job. It really does. All right. Destroy. I'll use explosives to destroy 40%. Okay. Okay. So we need to equip explosives. That's not a problem. Let's go ahead and remove this part here. Add a steering hinge. You need to see the rotation. Okay, here. And go ahead and go to weaponry. Water cannon. No, I want a cannon. Okay. Rotate, rotate, rotate. That's fine. C to shoot. So in that case, let's make it easy on ourselves and make this adjustment. I don't know, is that enough firepower? I actually don't know. Let's just trial and error and see. Adjust angle. Fire! Oh wow, that didn't do shit. I wonder if we can cheat and use this to destroy it instead. I don't know if the drill is strong enough. Nope, it's not. Alright. So we choose the wrong weapon. The reason for our failure is we didn't know what kind of weapon was powerful enough. Okay, if the cannon isn't strong enough, how about the shrapnel cannon? Oh, bomb. Flaming ball, boulder. Oh no, let's try the shrapnel cannon first. Maybe the shrapnel cannon is strong enough. Intersection? With what? Okay, we need to use the swivels. That's the steering hinges. Alright. That looks good, Alright, let's attach the shrapnel cannons. And let's see, what's the hotkey? C is fire. Yeah, so let's go ahead and change all of this. It should be fine to rotate them all at the same time. Oh wow, I forgot to install the blocks here. Alright, that should be fine. Oh, shrapnel cannons are obviously too heavy, huh? Okay, after much thought, this simple design came to mind. Okay, so we're just gonna go in with this. Let's see if it works. Alright, good. So the bomb did not just... alright, I needed to... Okay. I needed to try how that would work. Yes! Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. I will be returning with a new one relatively soon. See you all later.